Hey guys, me from the future to start this video off because I didn't like how my video started in the beginning, so I'm going to do a nice little intro for you guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna start off with doing my hair. I know that's a little bit different from my videos that I usually do, but I wanted to do something a little bit new, and my hair was crazy, which you'll see in the video. And it needed to be done and trimmed, all of that. So yeah, stay tuned and watch my video. Thanks.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you.
This, I don't know if you guys can see this little bit of hair. This little tiny bit of hair is my shed hair. YouTube hand, will you help me out? Hello? There you go. This little bit came from this side of my hair. Come on, focus. Okay, don't. And this side came from this side of hair. So that's just from me finger detangling. To me, that is fairly normal. It used to be globs. Can you just focus, please? Hello. Thank you. It used to be just globs. Like, as soon as I touch my hair, just mad hair falling out, just globs. And it kind of just honestly stopped after I colored my hair, which is weird to say, but that's what happened. Okay, so anyway, I am doing a little bit of cleaning today, and I'm gonna wash my hair and trim my ends. So I think I'm gonna record a little bit of that for you. And as I'm cleaning up my house, I have to organize my daughter's drawers because it just seems like nothing's fitting in there anymore. So I need to reorganize that. So yeah.
Dive into you.
Okay, so as you seen, I washed my hair. So this collected all of the hair that's shed into the tub and from the brush. This is how much I lost. Really not a bad amount at all. Now, yes, there's a lot of shed hair in here, which also gives me the indication that I need to trim my ends, which I will be doing today. But also some of it's because I bleached my hair. I'm not gonna say that everybody's hair is the same, but I know with my hair, if I bleach my hair, it's just breaking. It's gonna break eventually if I'm not taking well care of it, and I just wasn't taking well care of it. So that is the result. Now most of it you can tell is actual shed hair. You can see black hairs in here, so which means that it is also shed hair in here. But I'm going to blow dry my hair. I just have my hair wrapped up in a t-shirt, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair and start trimming my ends. Very, very sad ends. So I don't know. Can you see how bad my hands look? So I will be trimming them off. Okay, so ends trimmed. That's how much hair I cut off. Probably like 2 to 3 inches each little section or whatever. I kind of just don't really care. It's hair, it'll grow back. As long as my hair is healthy, at the end of the day, that's all that really matters to me. So I'm going to show you. This is the front. And this is the back. And that's where we are with my hair right now. I am going to start my dryer because my son put the clothes in the dryer. And I'm gonna go start dinner. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, So I'm back. A lot of hours later, I made dinner, and then I had a cleanup emergency that I didn't even get to film because my brain was all over the place. So I had to hurry up and clean my bathroom. There was this food everywhere. Long story. So I had to clean up my bathroom, and I washed the mats, and those just got out of the dryer. I stripped my bed. Those are now in the dryer. I got done with the first load of laundry, which is right here. So I'm going to get to folding that and putting it away. So I hope you guys stick around to watch the rest of this video. Okay. So I completely did all of the laundry, folded it all. The only thing that is still not put away is my kids' stuff, because I never got around to it today. It just ended up being like a busy day. So that stuff is still on my dryer. Let's see if you can see that. All of the kids' stuff still on my dryer. So that will have to get put away, and my daughter's dresser has to get organized tomorrow. For right now, all I'm doing is waiting on my dryer to get done so I can remake my bed, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys when the dryer's done. Okay, hey guys, so my thick blanket, my big blanket, is finally done. Not even all the way done. It's still like a little damp in some areas, not like completely soaked or anything. Like it'll dry, and like it'll air dry in like the next like hour or so. So I'm just gonna hurry up and make my bed because I'm tired of waiting. And in the middle of me waiting, I edited my video that's supposed to go up tomorrow. Today is, well, it's 1:40, it's 12:42 in the morning, so technically it's May 1st. So the video will technically come out today. So yes, I will be hurry up and making this bed. Let's do that.
Come, come, come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come, come, come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
Okay, so that's gonna complete my night. My bed's freshly clean, made, everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you share it, like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I see that people are watching my videos and you're not even subscribed. Why? Subscribe. And I shall see you guys in the next one. Peace.